This past November, your NKC journalism team got to travel to St. Louis, where they participated in the JEA National Convention, where they got to participate in contests and sessions to learn more about journalism and how to be a good journalist. Not only did they get to participate in the convention, but they got to explore the city on the opposite side of Missouri. Here is a little bit about what happened while they were there. What was your favorite activity we've done so far?
Probably the arch.
Favorite activity was when they went to the arch and I went to go sit by the river.
The city museum, really liked it. It was fun.
What did you learn that will improve our school's journalism program?
I mostly learned skills for design and how to use the programs that I think will really help when we're creating spreads.
When you're using the pen tool in Photoshop, when you try to curve a line, it has, I think it's called BWA lines. So when you try to curve a line, when you make your first point, it does the curve, but then when you make the second point, it tries to go in the opposite direction because it's trying to continue the curve. But if you shift click, it won't do that.
I learned how to tell stories with sound.